Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Lecturer Mr. Rudy, and all of my beloved friends. First of all, let's use thank to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing, we are able to come here to join in this English meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation today is about International Student 2. Thank you. For the next agenda is introduction. The first is Nabila Nur Tasmina. The number ID is 013. To Anggis Tiawati. The number ID is 047. Tri Eka Septiana. The number ID is 032. For Trikunti Indrawati Kartini Latifa, the number ID is 075. And the last Muhammad Anik Zidan, the number ID is 090. Conversational practices. How to express agreement. 1. I agree because. 2. That is true. 3. I agree with what I said. 4. I think so too. 5. Yeah, that is what I think too. I don't think so either. 7. You made or my or put right. That make sense. 9. Exactly account grammar. And the last, yes, in the lecture she or he said.
2. How to express disagreement. 1. But don't you think blah blah blah. 2. That might be true but blah blah blah. 3. I see your point but blah blah blah. 4. Well, I would not necessarily agree with. 5. Yes, but I think blah blah blah. 6. But you have to remember blah blah blah. 7. Do you really think so? I thought blah blah blah. 8. But the reading size blah blah blah. Task. What are your opinions about this motion? 1. Same-sex marriage. Of our group don't agree with the statement because same-sex marriage is illegal according to Islamic law and law number 1 of 1974 concerning marriage, because it is contrary to the condition for a valid marriage and religious norms. 2. For drug dealers. Disagree because drug dealers can be punished or jailed in addition to the death penalty, so that the drug dealer is deterrent and will not repeat it, and motivates or influence drug dealers not to imitate him and not distribute drug against. 3. Free health insurance for Indonesian. I agree because if people don't get treatment, it can have an impact. 1. Disease outbreaks will spread more quickly in the community. 2. Public health will be easily disturbed and many will fall ill. 3. The mortality rate or death is rising. 4. Free education for Indonesian. Actually, the existence of social media in today's life has many positive impacts, such as making it easier for youth to interact with many people. Expanding relationship, distance, and time are no longer a problem. It is easier to express ourselves. Information dissemination can take place quickly. Costs are cheaper. However, it also has negative impacts such as rampant crime, a lot of false information or hoax, lower productivity, individualism, addition to forgetting times, age. Therefore, with social media, we must be able to sort out what is best and avoid these negative impacts. Grammar focus. Causative have and get. 1. Pattern. Have something done and get something done are both used to refer to action which is done for the subjects rather than by the subject. Causative verbs are used instead of past verb to show that the subject causes the action to be done. 1. Have something done. I don't know how to repair cars, so I am having mine repaired at the garage around the corner. 2. Get something done. I really must get my eyes tested. I am sure I need glasses. The difference between have and get something done are that have is slightly more formal than get, and that get is more frequent than have in the imperative form. Get your hair cut. 2. Rewrite the sentence using have or get. 1. The mechanic changed the oil in my answer. Had the oil in my car changed. 2. The hairdresser cut my hair in a completely different style. Answer. I had my hair cut in a completely new style. 3. The decorator has repaired our house. Answer. We have had our house repaired. 4. A friend of mine is going to repair my DVD player next week. Answer. I'm going to have my DVD player repaired next week by a friend of mine. Was an electrician. And 5. The town hall has just been repaired for the council. Answer. The council have just had the town hall repaired. C. Causative verb. Have or get. The following is material about causative verb. Is have or get, let, make, and help complete with the example sentence and practice question. Causative verbs are used to indicate that someone makes someone else do something for themselves, either by buying, asking, or forcing. Causative verbs include have, get, and make. Will, let, and help are not actually causative verbs. In general, in grammar textbooks, they are considered causative. On or get. Causative have or get can be active or passive. H, Hampton, Carter, and explanation. Aktif, yaitu subject plus have, yaitu tergantung tenses, plus complement atau biasanya orang, plus verb in simple form, yaitu verb 1. Aktif, subject plus get, yaitu tergantung tenses, plus complement yang biasanya orang, plus verb in infinitive, yaitu to plus verb 1. Kemudian ada pasif, yaitu subject plus have or get, plus complement, plus verb in past participle, yaitu verb 3, atau tergantung tenses, dan biasanya benda. Contoh kalimat pasif have or get. Emily had the car washed. Pasifnya menjadi Emily had somebody wash the car. Kemudian aktifnya I got my watch repaired. Itu I had my watch repaired. Have, yaitu causative have means someone asks someone else to do something for him. Example, I had the plumber repair the leak. Dimana meaning the plumber fixed the leak because I asked him to do that. Get, causative get means someone convinced someone else to do something for him. Example, the students got the teacher to dismiss class early. Yaitu meaning students manage to convince the teacher so they can go home early.
Thank you for your attention. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.